Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix Scotiabank app not working. So if you're currently facing that exact problem as I had before, that your app is not working and you want to be able to fix it quickly, well then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you how I myself was able to fix it quite quick. So what you're going to do first is to just close your Scotiabank app, and instead you're going to open up your settings app. So just open up your settings app, and now you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. And now on this page, scroll down a little bit and then you're going to click on general, as you can see. Then scroll down a little bit again and click on storage. And in here, you're just going to scroll down just a bit until you can actually find the Scotiabank in here. So I'm just going to show you. So keep scrolling down and click on the Scotiabank app. Now upload app, and then once again click on upload app in here. Wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again. What will happen now is that you will automatically update your Scotiabank app to the newest version. So this should be able to fix 9 out of 10 bugs that is out there on the app itself. So try this and then wait for it to completely load, and then go back into your Scotiabank app again, and hopefully, as it did for me, this will be able to fix this problem for you as well. If it for some reason is not working even after you have done this, it might be just like a global issue for Scotiabank app themselves that is not working and we have to wait for them to fix it themselves. Or if you are really unlucky, maybe your Wi-Fi right now is not good, or mobile data connection. So that could also be the reason, just so you know. But that is basically exactly how you can fix this issue.